Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9i, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level on this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter. Now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume, then here on the display the value will change. So let's start. So as you can see, the Realme 9i reached the 110.1 decibels. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.